Hi guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing of the Deesse Pro mask that I have been waiting for in the mail for like a week and a half now, and I'm so excited. I posted on my Instagram story that I was ordering this, and I think where I got it from retails for $1,900, but I've heard other people saying it was $2,300, but it's not when I ordered it. But this is the newest version. This is the Pro. So this is what the front of the box looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, whoa. I'm getting so many Jason vibes right now. I keep looking at the monitor, that's why my eyes look up. But, whoa, that's cool. Dope. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Crazy. Okay, so it's supposed to come with a little box thing too. So there's just a bunch of little light bulbs in the inside. If you can see all these little dots, those are all the LED lights. You're supposed to not have anything on your skin. You can have a hyaluronic acid on your skin, which I do. So it does come with a little strap for the back of your head. So if you want to be up and walking around, otherwise you can just lay down and sit on your face. And then it comes with some little goggles. Like if you were getting in a tanning bed, because you know people used to do that before they realized skin cancer was like a thing and aging and stuff. Don't do that. Sunscreen, guys. Use a fake tanner. Okay, so here's the little box that it comes with. I really hope it's charged so that I can show you guys what it looks like when it's on. Oh my gosh, let me just drop a very expensive item and plug it in. The little port. They have a little screen protector thing on here, which I'm gonna take off because it makes the screen look a little foggy. I'm gonna plug this in first. Okay, it does come with a little operating manual. Ooh, lights. This is my first time using my recording room with my camera, so every time I look up in that way, it's because I'm looking at the little monitor, which isn't little, actually, it's a big ass TV. I mean a big TV. Okay, so there is a power cable. Oh my god! Okay, so if you buy it, everything falls apart, so make sure you're paying attention. Oh my gosh. There it is. Hold on. I'm back. Oh, wow. Yeah, it comes with like a bunch of adapters for it, which it should, because, you know, this thing is, it's pricey. Luxury skincare, guys. Okay. I'm gonna plug this in. So there is the little charging ports right there. Then a blue light turns on. I should have planned for this, guys. To use it for 20 minutes. So it has this page that it shows you all the lights that it does and what it does. So the red one is for anti-aging, the blue is for purifying, green is for brightening, procedure is the infrared blue and red, and then they have a blue and green one for calming, and then they have an anti-aging express mode, which is mode 6, so I'm guessing that's just like more intense than the other one. I'm interested in using the one for anti-aging and for acne, which I'm guessing is the calming one and the purifying one, because this does help reduce acne. It's the blue and green one, which is so it's mode 5, and I'm supposed to put it on there for 20 minutes. We're gonna see how creepy I look, because this mask is hilarious. It's a 2-in-1. Be Jason on Halloween and anti-aging at the same time. Okay, so you just filter that through, and then it has Velcro on the other side, and then you just push it together. Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Move my hair out of the way. You can't tell I'm smiling. Like it would be wet. My hair! You guys, this is turning out to be a great video. I was nervous that this wasn't gonna be big enough because, you know, I got a big head, but I gotta tighten it. Feeling pretty good about that. Okay, so let's try it again. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god, I feel sexy in this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to mode 6. Oh, that's the time. Definitely don't want to do, ooh, 20 minutes. Oh. How do I turn? Eye protection should be worn over eyes under the mask for safety. Place the mask gently over the face, making sure it is comfortable. Safety's first, guys. I'm not going to promote trying to kill yourself. You know, Nina Dobrev did it, so. So these are red when you put them on. I wish my husband could see me right now. You can't see anything. I know why people don't wear it now. Oh my gosh, it's making my eyes close. You know what? No. I've decided not to use the protective eyewear. I can't get it on, it makes my eyes stay shut. So if you guys can figure it out, wear it. If not, I'm a rebel. Hopefully I don't go blind. Right here. Oh my god. Okay. You need to wear the protective eyewear. That was like looking into the sun. So I'm going to go ahead and... Oh my gosh. Just make sure you keep eye contact with the little eye holes. Otherwise, you're going to miss like I did the first time. All right, ready? Oh, here it goes. Okay. I can't see anything. Oh my god. Dude, these little things are not comfortable. I guess this is like a work in progress to find the comfortability unless you're just going to close your eyes. Some people were saying they could read and do this at the same time, and I think that is like highly unlikely because it feels like it's impossible. I'm like a blind person right now. I've been doing the wrong one. It's level 5 that I need, which is the one I want. So now we're going to see. It should be blue and green. There we go. Oh, that's so much easier to have your eyes open. Okay, yes, you could watch TV and read when you did this. Oh, shiz. I don't think I've ever been so clumsy with this. Just kidding. I get hurt all the time. Look at my arm. I slipped and fell in my dad's hallway. And yeah, tried to kill myself. Cool. Well, guys, this is the Deesse mask. I'll keep you updated on how well it does with my skin because I do suffer from acne, and it will be awesome to see how much this actually helps. And maybe I'll take this off. Wow. Oh, it's warm. The lights make it warm. Let's see. Let's see what level 1 looks like. Whoa, that's the red one. 2. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one. This is 3. This is 4. This is red and blue. This is, oh. Alright guys, so I'm going to be here for 20 minutes doing this, and I'll give you updates on if this is actually worth it. I think it will be. I'm really excited to be able to have this item, so yeah, I will see you next time. Bye guys.